You too. What's good with y'all boys, man? It's your boy Lit Davy back with another fucking banger, man. As y'all seen by the title, we're doing how much it costs to fill up my 392 Scatpack. Yes. Hold on, let me see. As y'all can see by the hold on, let me cut the brightness down this joint. We only got, hold on, let me cut it down some more. Hold on, let me go ahead and stop at this light real quick. Make sure I don't crash the Scat again. Yeah, feel me? We got 16 miles of gas, bro. Y'all see we get 13 miles per gallon type shit. I live in Oklahoma, so we finna see, I'm finna show y'all how much it costs to, you know what I'm saying, fill up the tank. I ain't gonna lie, my car take gas every fucking day. Like, I think I got gas yesterday. If not that, I think it was the day before, bro. Me doing these cut-up vids, bro, if you got your shit in that mode right there, your transmission says track, say goodbye to gas. You wanna know why though?
Damn!
Like, you already know where the fucking gas is going, bro. Let's be real. We're not going to this on-cue because I don't even get busy with on-cue. Let's be real, my nigga. Damn, they go 12 too. What you doing, nigga? Don't come out this way. Don't come out this way, nigga. I don't got nothing for you, shawty. Oh, the light! Oh, bro. Roll that once. Oh, that nigga trying to come up here. Oh my God, I gotta take this nigga on the chase now. Fuck. Oh my God, chat. We was just doing a gas vid. Now I'm going on a chase. Alright, we got this ass, chat. We good. Fuck, boy. That shit would have been bad, bro. That shit would have been bad. Scatpack goes to jail. Trying to get gas. Crazy ass vid, dude. But yeah, man, hey, comment down below, let me know how y'all been doing today. Y'all probably just seen, I'm trying to be consistent, Davy. I just did 2 cut-up vids. Some AMG just tried to test the fuck out of me. Y'all probably already seen that vid in probably yesterday's video or something. He tried to test the fuck out of me. I had to gap his dumb ass. Okay. This nigga think this shit a game. Now we on the way to the, we finna get some gas. I'm finna show y'all, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I think I spend about 200 a week. I think I spend about 200 a week on gas, bro. I'm not gonna fake it to you, bro. This shit, y'all finna see how much it costs to fill up the tank. From when the clip started, let me see. From when the clip started to now, we've lost 3 miles of gas. I can assure you, Chad, we have not drove 3 miles, but I tell you that now. I don't even think it's been a mile, bro. But yeah, we going to, you know what I'm saying, a Scatpack owner worst fucking nightmare. Get the 7-Eleven. This shit gruesome, man. Eco mode, because I'm telling you, I try to slide this corner in that Scat, my car is going to end up in a ditch, boy. I'm telling you, bro. That shit kind of scary. But yeah, I'm gonna get up with y'all boys. Actually, no the fuck I'm not. I need every second of watch time. Y'all know I'm trying to get a check off of YouTube. I was finna edit the clip till I was over there getting gas. But why the fuck would I do that? Come on now, my nigga. Let's be for real. Him? When I first got my car, chat, them niggas was telling me only put 93 in my car. But as I've been going to gas stations in my city, bro, because when I first got it, I got it in Texas, bro. It was hella 93s, bro. In the state, bro, there's no 93 pumps, bro. We have strictly 91 gas. So that's all I've been putting in my Scat, bro. A whole line of 91. Yeah, pop out. Pop out, pop out, pop out. Make sure you show the Scat on the door, buddy.
Oh, yeah. It's a little bright out here, but...
What? Chat, y'all boys don't even know. I used to dream of having this car. Little did I know this shit was gonna take all my fucking money. Let me get to y'all boys when this clip starts pumping gas. Nigga wanna see it, bro. A lot of fucking chumps, they be getting that, yeah, bro. They say I ain't never lacking, I pump gas with my gun out. OKC is a clean ass server, man. I come out here and kick my fucking pimping. Oh, actually, hey, go in the front, I need to, hold on. Stand like right here. Come grab the phone like right here. Like, yeah, don't move that joint.
Not moving.
You see the photo button? Click it. Hold on. Hella thumbnail shit, bruh. How long this clip so far?
About 6 minutes, bro. We got 4 minutes to go.
Oh, so I got another 4 minutes to yap it up with y'all. Come over here, man. Right now we're at like, what, $40, bruh? Not even close to being done, buddy. What you predict? I think 70.
I'm gonna say
I think 65 to 70. What you think?
I'm gonna say 68-42.
I ain't gonna lie, it's cold as shit. Like, it's getting cold outside. I might have to cuff up. I thought I wanted, but that was for summer. I might have to get that customer say with the bumba. Hey, shout out that boy Miz. I probably have the music playing in the background, some more shit, bro.
Hey, you think you'll gap their ass right there? You think you'll gap their ass right there?
Bro, you think the nigga can fuck with me, bro? I just got the AMG. That nigga thought he had something. He really thought he had something to that 392. Fucked him up. To that 392. Fucked him up. All right, bro. We at 60. Slide. Oh shit. 61. Oh, they fucking with us today. Gazer. Come here, buddy. Yeah, slow. Y'all know guys down to 350. Hold on. A nigga like me, I need every drop of gas too, bruh. This shit is not cheap. Let's just say, chat, you're paying $60 every 2 days, and it's 7 days out the week. How many fucking days is that? You're paying for gas at least 3 to 4 times a week, bruh. 6 times 4, that's 240, buddy. Like I said, 250, 240, all the same shit, bruh. But that's probably gonna conclude this video because it's cold as shit, bro. I'm finna cut up, listen to some copyrighted music, bruh. Benny, I fuck with your music, but I love copyrighted music too. Yes. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all boys for watching. Yeah, that's gonna conclude this video.
Or those back.
All right, buddy. Let's see if they scammed us on the $61. Or let's see if that joint overflowing with gas. Geyser! Let's see how much a full tank give us. 253. A full tank give you 253 miles, man. Hey, the more you know. But hey, it's your boy Davy. SRT Davy. Red key, Davy. You got my other phone, bro?
No.
Damn, where my shit at, bro? Two phone Davy and I'm out, bro. Peace.